that the girl?
Boy.
Those are the
These
boys.
are two boys.
Little girls eating stuff. It's okay, Daddy's got your babies here. I know you're pushing. It's okay. They're right here. Tell her they're with you, Daddy.
Daddy got your baby, Sadie. He's keeping them warm. They're napping. Yeah, they're going to sleep.
Black one really blends right in. And this is the girl, but she's hungry. She's going to town on you. Okay, it's all right.
You tell us, Mama.
Okay. It's okay, baby. Oh boy. Yeah. And I think this little guy's gonna.
Girl.
This little girl, she's gonna get moved over here for a little bit. There you go. Let's have another pups. Let's have another puppy. Okay. It's all right. Look drunk.
The little girl just kind of went a little bit, and now she's going out.
Poor kiddo. How long has she been? Was she pushing?
No, she just started pushing a little bit ago, about 10 minutes ago.
Had you been down here before?
No, that's the first time I got down here this morning.
So
I mean, I've down there
she
at
could
4
have
and a 6. And, well, she wasn't pushing until I gave her some. I actually gave her some water, and then she started pushing. There's a cup of water over there.
Well, I just hope it's not breech or something.
It's fine if it is breech. It just means the tail's coming out first. That's all that means.
Is this gonna be the big one? The big baby? I know, honey. It's alright. Okay. Okay, push, push. Just like almost 7 hours later.
The last one, 2:30, isn't it?
11:11.
1:11.
What?
1:11.
1:11.